Well, good morning. It's a very smoky morning here in Montana, but it doesn't smell bad anymore, so that's pretty nice. As you can see, the insects are out, birds are out. Got some good coffee and didn't even get a chance to put in my beard oil, so probably why my beard looks a little weird. Set that down there. Oh, I am really enjoying this Duke Cannon Best Damn Beard Oil. It's the redwood scent. Really didn't get much of a opportunity to get my beard trimmed. Really need to. This quarantine has just been weird, and I've been hesitant to put clippers to my face, because I know from experience, when I try and trim up my own beard, it ends in disaster. Then I have to trim my beard all the way down, and it sucks. So I got a review video for you guys today. I'm going to be talking a little bit about Dr. Squatch and their shampoo and conditioner. I've been using this stuff for quite some time now. I'm about halfway through on both, and I am happy to say I'm very pleased with the results and very pleased with what I have seen so far. Yeah, it's been good. I've been impressed, and I'm definitely going to be buying more once I get out or get low. So the shampoo and the conditioner are made with organic, natural ingredients. And I'll show you right here. Talk about the shampoo first. Shampoo is an 8-ounce bottle. Sorry, it's not focusing. There's the ingredients. And, probably looking at these lists of ingredients, there's a lot of words on there with a lot of letters, stuff that I cannot pronounce right off the top of my head. So I did a little bit of research. I went on their website first, and I was very impressed that they had a list of ingredients on the website, and they explained why they put those ingredients in there. And I did a little bit more research on the ingredients as well. Stuff like decoglucoside, cocoa glucoside, citric acid, xanthan gum. It's probably all the ingredients that a little longer ingredients I'm going to be reading, because everything else is like, wait, what is he saying? So I'm not gonna butcher that. You guys can go look for yourself. But long story short, it's all good stuff. It's all good for your hair. It's all good for your skin. I noticed that this acts differently than the stuff that I was using previously, off the shelf from department stores. The stuff that I was using before, I noticed that I would put it in my hair and it would lather up, and it was bubbly and sudsy, and it made me feel like it was cleaning. And then I get out of a shower, dry my hair, and then once my hair was dry, it just felt dry. Like the scalp just felt dry. It felt very unhealthy, and it was pretty annoying to deal with. And same thing with conditioners also. I kept buying conditioners that were off the shelf at department stores, and I mean, they did a good job. I didn't have any problems so much with the conditioners, but it was the shampoos. They would keep drying my skin out that I'd have to use the conditioners to replenish the oils that were getting sucked out on these shampoos. So I got introduced to Dr. Squatch soap company through their online commercials, their ads. They're very entertaining, and that's what kind of drew me in a little bit. And sometimes we see these commercials and we think, oh yeah, they're trying to huck it up and try to be hokey and try to promote their brand. And they say that they're all organic, and we all know the truth. It's not. And I saw this brand, and I figured I'll just check out their ingredients on their website, see what it looks like, see what they have to offer. And sure enough, I was impressed with what I saw. I figured I'd just start small and start with their bar soap. So I tried their soap. I was immediately sold. The soaps did a great job of getting me clean, making me smell good for a long time, and they actually promoted healthy skin. So I didn't get dry, I didn't feel weird, I wasn't itchy or irritated at all after using this soap. What I found was, when I was using the Irish Spring soap, the green bars, what I found was, after I got out of the shower and I dried off, I started getting itchy. And I noticed that, like, on my arms, it was just, flaky and dry. And I noticed that my hands were just dry and, just felt really uncomfortable. And so I had to use lotions to, get some moisturizing action back on my skin. So then after I started using Dr. Squatch soap, I didn't have to do that. And, my skin was great, and it felt healthy. It was nurtured, moisturized. I wasn't itchy when I was getting out of the shower. And this was when my wife and I were living in California for a while, and we were, taking showers with the city water. And, if you guys know, city water is horrible, right? I mean, it's got a bunch of additives. It's got chlorine in it. I'm pretty sure it's got bleach, like a little bit of bleach, which, I get it. It's to not poison the water. But man, that stuff was horrendous on my skin. And when I was using the Dr. Squatch soap, it was like nothing. Like, it still took care of my skin and everything, and it was good. I was sold on that after that. So then, I looked into their shampoo, and I figured, well, if the soap is good, then the shampoo must be good. So I got the I got the shampoo, and you can't really see it, but I'm kind of like halfway out on the shampoo. So yes, I have been using it, and that was a game changer all in its own, because it was actually cleaning, and it was actually moisturizing my scalp and my hair and cleaning it up very well. And I noticed that it wasn't like it wasn't like sudsy or bubbly. Like, it wasn't giving me a show. It just went straight to work, and it started doing good stuff for my hair. So that's what I really liked about the shampoo. Now, there were 2 drawbacks on the shampoo. And the first one was the scent. So the scent on the shampoo is called Cypress Coast. A description on it is made with nettle, tea tree, burdock root, and cypress oil to rejuvenate and strengthen your hair. Good for all hair types. So I used the shampoo for the first time, and it smelled weird. It smelled like a rubber mold, pretty much. If you wore like a Halloween mask, you know, it was like a rubber Halloween mask, it probably smelled like that, and it was weird, and it threw me off. And I let my wife smell it because she's the one who's going to tell me if it smells weird or not. And she liked it. She liked the way it smelled. So I think it was just me that had that issue. But after a while, like after a few uses, I got past the smell, and it actually, it smelled good and smelled fresh, and I liked it. So that was the first drawback, and again, that probably doesn't even count because it might have just been me. I don't know if you tried it before and you got that same impression. I'm not sure. Just if you did, let me know in the comments, because I don't know. It might have just been me. The other drawback was that on a full bottle, when I squeezed out the shampoo in my hand, half of it would get sucked back up into the bottle. So that was mildly infuriating. But at the same time, like once I started using more and more of that shampoo, I didn't have that problem. But it was only on when the bottle was full. And again, maybe it was just me, but I just was kind of irritated by it. So do I recommend Dr. Squatch shampoo? Yes, I do. And despite the issues, very small issues, I have come to appreciate what it does for me. It puts in work. It doesn't give you a show like the other shampoos do. And it just goes straight to work, and it does good, and it promotes healthy hair. All the ingredients in it are all good. They're all natural or naturally sourced. And those detergents were just really harsh and just brutal, and left me feeling bad and itchy. And Dr. Squatch shampoo did not leave me like that. So me personally, I recommend the shampoo. I will be buying it again. I will be implementing it in my routine. And if you are tired of feeling itchy and dry after getting out of a shower, I would check them out. I would check it out. It's good. It's been good. And now I'll move on to the conditioner, if stuff would stop falling down. So the conditioner is a 12-ounce bottle. The scent is Cool Citrus. There we go. I think I have to hide my face in order for this camera to focus in. And there's the back of the bottle. Kind of. There it is. And it's the same thing with the ingredients. There's a lot of weird names in there, but trust me when I say it's all good stuff, and it's stuff that is safe to use and is not a harsh ingredient that's gonna hurt you. Now, for me, when I was using the other shampoos, I had to use conditioner, just so that I wouldn't feel itchy and, I wouldn't feel dry. So the conditioner, I wanted to try out and just see what it would do, because I wasn't having any issues with the shampoo. But the conditioner has been doing great things also for not only my hair, but for my beard also. It's pretty much the same thing as the shampoo. It does good things. It keeps the hair moisturized, and it's not gonna make you itchy and dry. It does good stuff. So I like the conditioner. I haven't been using it as much as the shampoo. But do I recommend the conditioner? I sure do. Because here's the thing. Um, the the conditioner from Dr. Squatch acts a little bit differently than the conditioner that you find at department stores. You can actually see the ingredients in the conditioner when you put it in your palm, and it feels nice, and it actually makes the bathroom smell nice too. Makes it smell minty. Or the store-bought conditioners, I'm like I said, I didn't have really any problems with it, but I didn't know what was in it. For me, knowing what's in the conditioner really helps, and it's really nice. So I would recommend their shampoo and conditioner, as well as their soap. I'll do a review video on their soap. So like I said, if you guys are looking for something that's going to moisturize your skin and keep you clean, I recommend Dr. Squatch shampoo and conditioner, and I think you guys will be impressed with the results that you find. So since you guys are here, why not subscribe? It's free, and if you don't like what you see, you're more than welcome to unsubscribe. It's not going to hurt my feelings. So I'm doing my best to put out more content, do more review videos like this. Like I said, the next video, I'm probably going to be doing the Dr. Squatch soap, and who knows, maybe I'll check out their beard oil as well, because they also do beard oil. The link to the Dr. Squatch website is going to be down in the description below, and I highly recommend that you guys check it out, and even pick up some of their shampoo and their conditioner, because it's going to do you good. So thanks for stopping by. So you guys enjoy your day. Be kind. Be safe out there. The world is a crazy place right now. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.